we want to go to Route 53. As you can see, I'm already there. So Route 53. And then we'll come down to registered domains. And I can register a domain, transfer a domain. So I want to register a domain. And basically here you just enter the name of the domain you would like to register. I already have the .com, so that should show as unavailable, but .net is available, and I want to try this one. I don't own any .link domains, so I'm going to do .link, and yes. So I have the option to register for 1 year up to 10 years. Let's do 1 year, and then hit continue. And now it's asking for my personal information here. So I'll fill this in, and then basically here at the bottom we have the privacy protection, and as you can see, it's enabled by default, and it says my order is being processed. It may take a little while for your payment to be debited, blah 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 blah. All right, and then close. And then if we go back to our dashboard here, we can see we have a pending domain request, domain name registration request. So that's pretty much it.